It's the holiday season. You have about $50 in your pocket, and you got that one last gift to get for that car guy in your life. Stick around. I'm going to go ahead and show you what exactly to get. Alright guys, before we jump right into it, go ahead and give this video a like real quick. Just put it down there. Just the button. It's right there. Go ahead and click on it. And while we're at it, if you haven't watched the previous video, should be linked up there. It's going to be under $20. So if you don't got 50 bucks, that's a $20 video right there. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so picture this. That car guy in your life, he's also a gamer. Let me tell you exactly what you're going to want to get for him, because right now on Amazon, Forza Horizon 4, the best games ever to grace the Xbox, is actually on sale. It's only 30 bucks. Normally 60 bucks, but I could fit it into this under $50 price category because right now it's only $30. So I don't know how long it's going to be on there. You're going to definitely want to go and pick that up as soon as possible. It's definitely one of the best games currently out, especially if you're into cars. What better way, you know? So definitely go check that out. I have it linked down in the description down below. And number two, you know he's a car guy. You know he or she is definitely going to want to keep that car clean. How else are you going to keep that car clean without a vacuum? So go ahead and check out this product. It is called the This Works TWC-01. It's a car vacuum. I have it linked down in the description down below. The cool thing about this vacuum here, it has a ton of 4-star reviews and 5-star reviews on Amazon, so you know it's a good product. You're definitely going to want to check that out because every car guy or girl is going to want to keep their car clean all the time, and this is definitely going to help them do that. So go ahead and check out that product listed down below. Alright guys, and for number three, I'd like to talk to you guys real quick about a company called Auto Care Motorsports. You may or may not have heard of them. In fact, if you know me personally or you've been around this channel for a while, you'll know that I kind of own the company. It's actually, we started Auto Care Motorsports about 2 years ago. We sell high quality car care products. We currently have the AC Plus Clean Car Kit down below in the description. That's going to be at a huge discount currently for the holiday season. That has your essentials, so car care shampoo, you're going to want your tire cleaner, and you're going to want your window cleaner. That all plus some microfiber towels, high quality plus microfiber towels to make sure that your car is being cleaned with the highest quality materials. But definitely check us out. If you like this channel, if you like what I do, that's going to be the best way to support me. You don't have to donate. I don't have a Patreon or anything like that, so definitely check us out in the description. I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Plus, down in the description, I'm actually going to put a discount link so that only the viewers of this channel get a pretty cool discount. So check us out, guys. I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Let's go ahead and jump into product number 4. And for number 4, one of actually my favorite products ever in the entire existence of cars, basically. It's from a company called Scotch. It is the Mag DMB Magic Mount. You actually put a little metal plate on the back of your phone or on your case. It's kind of like a phone mount for your car, but instead of having a big gigantic clip that tends to obscure your view of the road, it's actually just a magnetic mount. So you can just plop it right onto your dash and it'll stick on there. It holds on very, very tight. I personally have, let's see, an iPhone 11 Pro Max. It is a big and very heavy phone, but that mount has no problem holding it up, and I've had zero issues, zero complaints with it. It's actually very well reviewed on Amazon right now, so check it out in the description down below. It's going to be a great product for anyone in your life. And finally, number 5. In the last video, I had a safety device as my number 5 pick. We're going to continue on with that trend here. This is going to be the Heltico Portable Air Compressor. Now, I personally haven't really heard of that brand before, but I went out on a limb and purchased one of these myself. And that was mostly because it's very, very well reviewed on Amazon. It has over 1,000 reviews, and it has an average of above 4 stars. So definitely check these guys out. The product looks very, very good. And basically what this will do for you is if you do get a flat on the road, you could patch your tire, and this is actually going to be just like use like a regular air compressor. You plug it into the cigarette port on your, or cigarette lighter port on your car, and you know it's gonna inflate your tires in no time. Actually, real quick, I'm going to be posting a video very soon about how to patch your own tire. That way you could, you know, not have to go to those tire shops and pay ridiculous amounts of money for a simple patch. So I'm going to show you guys how to do all that here in this channel. Make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss that. And that's it. That was all of our products for the $50 category. If you guys have more products that I missed, put them down in the description down below. I'm going to be reviewing the comments here in the next couple days, and I'll make any updates if necessary. But like I said, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you do enjoy this video, you enjoy what we do here, it's going to help us out a lot if you use those affiliate links down below. We're not a monetized channel, and at the rate YouTube is going, I don't think we're ever going to be. But with your support, we can go ahead and make sure that we're continuing to put out great content. So yeah, thanks. The next video, it's actually under $100. We're going to have a lot more. We're going to have some more expensive products, but they're definitely going to be better gifts that you're going to want to give to those loved ones in your life. So I will see you in that next video. It's going to be right here.